Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see likes in Bumble without paying. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, go ahead, access your Bumble app on your mobile phone. Make sure you're logged in with a correct account where you would like to check it out. Right now you can see we already have some notification here in this heart icon, which is basically the likes icon. Go ahead, tap on it, and now you can check out that 13 people has liked your profile. You can see that notification, right? If you simply want to check it out, if you tap on this see who likes you, it will simply pop up the premium subscription tab interface, right? So for that matter, that particular function is only available in this mode. You can choose to get one monthly, weekly, or lifetime package accordingly, whichever one you prefer. Go ahead, tap on it, provide them your payment method, get the subscription, and then you will be able to simply get the particular likes icon for you. You can simply tap on any of them afterwards and check out who has liked you. You can choose to check out the profile as well accordingly, and you're good to go. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.